So this is a great demonstration of what a microhydro system can look like, and the basic idea is that you have that alternator on top, and then the wheel at the bottom that collects the little pocket, the water. And if you face those hoses slightly at a downward angle, you're using the gravity to help. So you get that gravity, and then the thing spins. And so this microhydro system is actually a very efficient system, and then you can have 4 inlet hoses that shoot, or even more. I mean, you could have inlet hoses that shoot water at that. And so the basic idea of a microhydro system is having either the two things that you measure to see how much water, how much energy you can get out of your water is the rise of from where you're collecting the water down to where that alternator or generator is, which is known as the head, which is known as the rise, and then the head, which is the actual amount of water. So if you can think of water as a small balloon, that's a little bit of head. And then if you can think of like a pool, that's a lot of head because it has a lot of water. So there's a lot of mass behind it, so the pressure is going to be more. So either your system has to have a lot of head and a good amount of rise, or a lot of rise and a good amount of head, because they both kind of even out. So it's rise over run equals the amount of energy. Rise over run plus the actual mass equals the energy that you have. And then another thing to think about is where you're getting that alternator. So all these things can be done DIY style. You can get the alternator from a vehicle possibly, and you can have a local metal shop manufacture that wheel and then mount it yourself. And if you're willing and able, you can build one of these systems for little to no money. I mean, thousands of dollars as opposed to $10,000 or. So good luck everybody, and try to get the world a little greener.